What's going on, people? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. And I'm back on your screens, baby. You know I'm back on your screens with a very important message. First of all, if you like the message, hit the like button. It's not hard. We both know it's not hard to just hit that button. If you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. Subscribe to the channel. I'm a really cool guy with over 660 high-level consciousness conversations in the catalog. Listen, chosen ones, this is a quick message. And this message, like I said, is from God through my mouth to your ears. This message is to simply know that chosen ones chase people away. Chosen ones run people away. Why you say that, Sinashti? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Chosen ones, I say that due to the simple fact that I experienced this basically my whole life. I would always wonder, why this girl didn't want to stay around, Like I did everything right. I felt like she liked me. I mean, she acted like she liked me, but yet after a certain amount of time, they decide to leave you by the wayside. I mean, I didn't understand then, but I do understand now that chosen ones, we have this energy, we have this light, we have this aura about us that makes it really hard, damn near impossible, for certain people to be around us for too long. You get what I'm saying? And I know you've been through it too. If you're watching to the point of this video, I know you going through it or you've been through it. I'm just here confirming it for you that you're not going insane, that this is a real thing. And it's because of, due to the nature of who you are and where you come from and what you believe, the vision you have inside of you. Not a lot of people have it. And they could sense that energy permeating off of you as soon as you come around them. You might have had some friends, some co-workers that everything was going good, everything was going great. Maybe you said something that rubbed somebody the wrong way. You don't even know what you said because you were just being yourself. But yeah, it still rubbed that person the wrong way. Now they look at you as, either you too smart for your own good, or you think that you're better than, and you don't think of nothing like that because you've never been a person like that. Feel me? But yeah, these people, they will always try to make you feel like it's your fault. But I'm here to tell you right now, it's not your fault. You understand what I'm saying? You have this energy inside of you that not a lot of people can handle being around, And sometimes the type of people that we are, it really hurts us inside. It really hurts us because we have a heart that's big that all it does is want to give and give and give. Doesn't care if we receive, We got a heart that wants to give love, unconditional, true love to people who need it, And people out there, they will really disregard they will disregard anything that you have to put in front of their face, letting them know that you're really a good individual that just wants to see the best for everybody. Usually those type of people are the ones that get ostracized in their community. Those are the ones that are shunned. Look what they did to Jesus. Take a look. Chosen ones, they cannot be in your presence for too long. Not at all. They hate the sight of you. They hate the way you talk, the way you walk, the way you dress. They hate the way you move, and they cannot appreciate what you could do for them and their future generations. They hate it. They hate it. So what you can do, chosen one, is you could either get away from these people, B, learn how to navigate through these people and through their negative, toxic emotions, and 3, you kind of just deal with what you're dealing with, and then you just kind of just keep on chucking and chucking. You know, you keep on just moving and moving. You know, but it's just good to have the insight on what's going on, why people acting like that around you, why people treat you the way they do. And that's, like I said, simply the fact that you're a chosen one. You know what I'm saying? You're one of God's elect on this devil earth. You get what I'm saying? So people are not going to like you. Soft rip, they're just not going to like you. You know, it has nothing to do with what you look like. It has a lot to do with what you believe in and the faith that you have inside your heart. I'm telling you. When you're on a journey to success, when you're on a journey to becoming the better version of yourself, the best version of yourself, you will see who really is there for you and who is not there for you. And a lot of the times it be the people that's closest to you that shows you that they're not really truly there for you. It hurts, man. It really hurts inside. But good thing we're living in a parasocial age where you could meet people like me online, and you could, listen to my experience, and I can give you my experience and let you know that you're not the only one going through these things. You're not the only one that been through these things, It's just a normal part of the chosen one journey. Is feeling left out, feeling rejected, feeling like nobody cares, feeling like the world is against you, You meet somebody, everything is going great, and next day, gone off the map. Next 2 days, disappearing act, or they start acting funny and make you have to make the first move and cut them off. Yeah, it's a real sad reality we are in with these people around us. It's like, what are we gonna do? All we could do is just live, live and let live. But yet, it just seems like we're on a dead end road every single time. Just on a dead end road, going nowhere, headed fast. That's why God is telling me to tell you, just slow it down, and just take a look at what's really around you. Take a look at who's really around you and the energy they let off and they share with you. Because if you have somebody sharing their negative, toxic, that's all you're going to absorb, and that's all you're going to be able to manifest is negative and toxic. It's a lonely journey out here, chosen ones. It's a lonely journey for the chosen ones. We have to do this by ourselves. Usually you have to do it by ourselves. Some of us get lucky and we get a partner. But I feel like most of us are single out here. No friends, small circle. That's just the way the chosen one has to roll. And just knowing that without all this insight on how things are going down for chosen ones, you wouldn't be able to, without all this stuff happening to you, you wouldn't be the person you are today. Basically what I'm saying is, like, you have to have this stuff happening to you in order for results to happen. They say no pain, no gain. You have to go to the gym in order to beautify your body, and that's going through pain in order for the gains. Same thing with wanting to manifest externally or wanting to just heal yourself internally. You have to go through some sort of pain, but that pain is going to lead to success. That pain is going to lead to growth. That pain is going to lead to whatever you're trying to accomplish in your life. Yeah, you get it? All right, chosen ones, listen, we're going on 10 minutes. I've been ranting. Just the outro. I hope the tens and tens of subscribers that I have, I hope you guys leave me a comment in the comment section. Hit the like button. If you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly thank yourself. Hit the subscribe button. It's not hard. You know what I'm saying? For the tens and tens of subscribers, I love y'all. Thank y'all. Just hit me up. Because soon, we're going to be at the hundreds. And then the thousands. And then the millions. And millions. So we just wait until we get there. Here comes the outro. I hope somebody's still watching. It's your boy, The chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. Voila.